There are so many reasons to grow your own plants by seed indoors this season. You get access to the best varieties of plants. You get to monitor the timing, and you get to know exactly what happens to your plants from start to finish. But starting your own seeds can be overwhelming. I mean, you're literally trying to recreate Mother Nature inside your home. It can be complicated. It's taken years for me to figure out how to turn a seed into a plant in my basement. That's why I want to walk you through the step-by-step to grow your own seeds indoors through the new Gardenary course, Seed Starting. This course covers every single step of the process, from picking out the right supplies, creating your own soil blend, watering, tending, monitoring the light, and even troubleshooting. The Seed Starting course is inside Gardanary's membership called 365. Gardenary 365 exists to help people like you and me make the garden part of our everyday lives. So don't let this season pass you by without trying to grow your own plants from seed alongside me and hundreds of other gardeners just like you inside of Gardenary 365. You can learn more right below this video and get started right away. I cannot wait to help you in your own garden journey this season.